This was a rather smooth advertisement from Domino's Pizza. Let's see what people's thoughts are. No thanks. That chick ate it and she went bald. I'm good. She looks like a cute alien. Suddenly, I'm not worried about a hair in my pizza. Well, maybe an eyebrow hair. Oh my god, it's just Uncle Leo from Seinfeld. This is just too perfect. Miss Potato Head. Yo, head needs some toppings. The last time I ate at Domino's, I found a hair in... okay, I don't blame you. So I hear they have pretty good pizza. What in the Kentucky Fried Philly? That's what other people thought, but what about you? Let me know down below.